furnace tent went riding out one cold and winter day. He showed up in his service truck, it was a Chevrolet. A blizzard was coming, it was after 5 o'clock. I knew I'd have to pay an awful lot. He showed up on time, just as he said. He shook my hand and said that there's nothing to dread. He was tall and lean and handsome and smart as a whip, with his hat on straight and a tool belt on his hip. I took him to the furnace and he went straight to his work. He was very professional, he wasn't a jerk. It only took a minute before that furnace roared to life. My house was warming up and I had a happy wife. He grinned and he said, my work here is done. He said, I'd like to stay, but I need to run. There are many more who need my services right now, so I'll give you the bill, but you don't have to pay right now. He said, this is what you'll owe, this is what you'll pay. Just a service call today. I was relieved at what he said. He has saved us all from freezing to death. I asked him to stay, but he just turned to go as he opened the door. I could feel that north wind blow. As he drove out of sight, snow was coming down. The blizzard was whistling and blowing around. The only thing I could think of was what he said when he gave me the bill. And you have nothing to dread. And in the storm I heard, this is what you owe, this is what you'll pay. Just a service call today. Just a service call today.